Water is a powerful force that changes Earth. Over millions of years, the Colorado River slowly cut through layers of rock to carve the Grand Canyon. Wind is another powerful force. Over many years, wind and water wore away the rocks of a cliff. Now, this natural rock arch is all that is left of the cliff. Glaciers, or slow-moving masses of ice, helped form Yosemite Valley. As they moved down the valley, they ground and polished the canyon into a smooth U-shape. Over time, all of these forces are changing our planet.
Hi everyone! You guys know that we learned the vocabulary words, and after we learn some new vocabulary words, we have to now read the story, which include these new vocabulary words. And the story this week is Into the Sea. All right? This is an expository text, as you guys know. The selection Into the Sea is an expository text. Expository text means it includes facts about real events, includes text features, and has a text structure. So the essential question of this week is, how does the earth change? And now I'm not going to ask you guys this question, but we're going to read the story and find out. Let's begin. What is erosion? Have you ever made a sandcastle at the beach? You must pick a good spot for it. If it is too close to the water, waves will quickly wash it away. Ocean waves and wind can also wash away land. They can change the shape of an island, which is land circled by water. When wind and water change the shape of Earth, it is called erosion. Waves are the biggest cause of erosion at the beach. Ocean waves are always active and moving onto the shore. They carry the sand away bit by bit. Strong waves are one of the properties of big storms. These waves explode as they crash onto the beach. Storm waves can move a lot of sand quickly. This is the next page, page 278. Erosion of beaches. Some people build houses near the ocean. Waves take away the sand between the houses and the sea. As the beach disappears, the water gets closer to houses and other solid buildings on the beach. Some buildings can even be washed away. Erosion of rocks. Erosion also happens on steep, rocky cliffs or sharp slopes. First, waves smash into the bottom of the cliffs. Then they carry away tiny pieces of rock. Over time, many small pieces of rock wash away from the bottom of the cliff. This makes the top of the cliff weak. The cliff can crumble and fall into the sea. Stopping erosion. Some local communities work to stop erosion to nearby beaches. These towns have built seawalls of large boulders of rock. The rocks are placed in a row in the sea. When the waves hit the seawall, they slow down. Then the waves can't pull sand away. Some towns make rules about buildings on the beach. New buildings must be far from the water, then they won't wash away like a sandcastle. So this is the selection of this week. All right, everyone. And as you can see, okay, we now know, if we go back to the other page, how the earth changes. Okay, so I want you guys to read the story. And if you have any questions during the live video next week, you guys will be able to ask me. And please pay attention to the vocabulary words in the selection.